Dave here with Rides and Drives, and we're back over at Papa Randy's shop with the Maverick, and we're about to do a little bit of touch-up. If you keep doing something every day, your project doesn't ever completely stop, and that's the goal, is just to keep this thing rolling. So work on today, it's going to be a real quick one. We sprayed this with OSFO yesterday and let it dry overnight. We brushed the OSFO on from the back and a little bit came through, but that's all right. We let it sit and dry overnight, so this is good condition for a little bit of painting. I've been shaking this a little while off camera, and we're just gonna nip this in the bud, keep any rust from happening. No, don't do anymore. Leave it at that. All right. Just a little quick one. Keep it rolling. We'll see y'all on the road. Thanks for watching Rides and Drives. Be sure to subscribe and like. Thank you.